आता खबरो विस्तारान। गोवा पुलीस खात्याचे अंमली पदार्थ विरोधी विभागान अंजुना आणि हरमल ह्या भागांनी सतत 3 दीस केल्ल्या कारवायेंत चॉकलेटींतल्यान सायकोटॉनिक तसेच नार्कोटीक ड्रग्स वितरीत करपी टोळयेचो पर्दाफाश केला। 23,26,000चो ड्रग्स जप्त केला। साखरेपासून क्यूब तयार करून तातूंत LSD ड्रग्स मिश्रित करून विक्री जाताली अशी धक्कादायक बातमी पुलिसां मुखार उघड जाल्या। अटक केल्ल्या दुबावितांमदी डेव्हिड जॉन्सन ह्या ब्रिटीश नागरिकाचो समावेश आसा। ताजे वांगडा गणेश पोडनीर आणि युसूफ मोहम्मद बशीर ह्या दुबावितांक पुलिसांनी अटक केल्या। ह्या टोळयेंत आनीकय दुबावित आसूं येता अशें पुलिसांनी सांगलां। आरटीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
We had arranged a narcotic raid based on the information which was received by the ANC officer. So PI ANC Suraj Halankar and his other officers team, they went for the raid based on the reliable information which was received, and first they captured that Yusuf Mohammed Bashir, and with him also they found the drug MDMA. Then they interrogated on the spot itself from where it has come and all, and that Bashir disclosed to them that there is a supplier known as David Johnson. So he was told, he was first asked, what is your mode of getting the supply? Then he said, I used to call him on a mobile phone. So he was told to call him on a mobile phone and demand some stuff. So he did exactly what police officers said, and then this man came along with the drugs. So he was also intercepted, and during his search also drug was found, that is MDMA was found, ecstasy tablet, LSD, all this type of drug was found. Then again, while this was in process, we found another link. So the team went to Arambol, another team we sent to Arambol and captured one more person by name Ganesh. He is from Himachal Pradesh, and from him also we got another 1 kilo 350 grams of charas. So these 3 persons were brought here, and for last 2 days, 3 days continuously there was an interrogation. We paid more focus to this person, British national, because initially he was not cooperating. He was not telling us where is his passport. We couldn't find his passport. He was not telling us where he is staying. And then in between what we did is we asked him, now how to inform your home people if you don't have the number and all. And he was already carrying a mobile, but that mobile was found locked with the code number. So in that, when we said that we want to inform his family member, so that's the time he operated his mobile and removed that code and unlocked. When he unlocked, then we could see the numbers and all. We tried to check for ourselves. When we could able to know who are the person, we start asking. Then he told us, so and so is the house owner, that he has rented one house in Anjuna and he is willing to show now, and even his passport is also in that house in a cupboard. So also there are other drugs which are concealed in the cupboard. So accordingly, as he disclosed, again a team was arranged with the punch witnesses to raid the place, and they went and raided the place on 23rd evening and recovered more drugs. That is MDMA was recovered, DMT was recovered, LSD liquid was worth about 12 lakhs. It was recovered from the house that where he had concealed. So another case was registered against him. Now in the entire thing, what we found is he was having a sugar cubes, and he was having the liquid of LSD. In a sugar cube, on a sugar cube, he used to drop LSD liquid. So the sugar cubes are laced with LSD, and these LSD were later on, these cubes are wrapped with a silver foil and then being sold in the market. He says around the range of 500 to 700 rupees per cube, and he says this particular cube, if you consume, it gives a kick for at least 8 to 10 hours. So, and this is basically being taken by the person who are enjoying at the music party, and that's what he said. So this is the unique method which is being used, because he is getting LSD liquid separately, buying the sugar cube, and thereafter putting a drops and making it as a LSD cube. So this is the unique method which has been adopted, and that's why we question him more and more.